Hello everyone, it's Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet. Today is December 26th, so I hope everyone had a great Christmas. I know I sure did. Got together with most of my family and my kids and grandkids, and we had a great time. And then I saw the others today, so we had a really fun time, and lots of stuff was given, and loves and hugs, and it was wonderful. And I know if you watched my video yesterday, you got to see Avery's reaction to the bear, which was awesome. Then we went over to their house, and she was playing with them, and she just had a good time. She did get both bears, but only one was wrapped up. So anyway, the Advent calendar with Nancy is now complete, but when we were together in South Carolina, she brought me a bag full of stuff. She said, I'm not sure if I packed enough gifts in the gift swap, so in case I didn't, here's extra. Well, we opened them together, but I didn't show any in case I needed them for the gift exchange. So I thought I would show you what else she brought for me. Oh, not this. I won this. This is a Myrtle Beach towel. I forgot about that being in the bag. But she did give me some very awesome gifts. And let's see what's in here. Because there was, a bunch of paper clips. Now, these are gold and rose gold, but what's so cool about them? They're elephants. Isn't that the neatest thing ever? So cute. Totally love it. Let's see what's in this box. I don't remember. Something wonderful, I know for sure. Let's see. Oh yeah, I remember now. This is a hand, and I made it. It made it home safely. I used to have a printer's box up on a wall that was filled with little teeny tinies, but now I just have all my little teeny tinies in a curio cabinet, which is where this guy is going to go as soon as this video is over. Let's see, there it is. Let's see. It's just teeny tiny. Isn't it so cute? I guess actually it goes this way. There, can you see him? Oh, come on. Let's see if I get my own fingers out of my own way. Maybe you'll see it better. Come on, folks. There you go. Isn't he great? So fabulous. And that came in this little box. Let's see. Oh, here you can read it better there. Come on, focus. Nice. There it is. So I'm not even attempting to say that. But that's the box the little elephant came in. Then we received another elephant. I do know that Amanda from the Obsessively Crochet Lady made this. She's made me a couple of elephants, and she's so good at the teeny tiny ammies. It's just amazing. Then there was this. Nancy did so good. She had so many wonderful gifts for me. I could not be more overwhelmed with all the wonderful things that she bought for me. Oh, I might have showed you this one. Isn't it gorgeous? I might have showed you this, but it's still stunning. And it's going to go out and be out all the time because it's just too pretty. It's sparkly too. I don't know if you can see that, or if you can just tell that but there's glitter on, there's like sparkly snow glue glitter on there. So that's fabulous. And then there's these. Because she was afraid she didn't pack enough stuff. So she got me a set of these glasses. Isn't that fabulous? There's two. I'm not going to take the other one out of the box, but fabulous. I kind of don't want to use them because I'm afraid they'll get broke. They'll be broken, and that would upset me very much. Now, this, I thought, was a yarn ball when I pulled it out of the yarn ball bag, but it's awfully hard for our scraps of love. So maybe it's another gift I thought was a yarn ball. It is. It's not a yarn ball. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's two things. Oops. It is this very awesome keychain. And look at this ornament. Isn't it great? Love it. Thank you so much, Nancy. That's going on the tree after the video is over. So now I got to pull another. I've got a few balls left in here. These hopefully are all yarn balls. I thought they were. I did work on the scraps of love. Both of my two blankets. Ooh, yay, my favorite color. Here we go. That's a very pretty purple. I love it very much. Thank you. And let's see. This is, I have both blankets. Oh, oops. With extra stuff. This one is all sewn in. Needs one more row. I think I'm going to have to add another row after that. Because I don't think it's going to be big enough otherwise. All the ends are sewn in, mostly except for one, which I just realized isn't, so I missed. So this is the original, and it does get one more row. I'm going to have to really, I think I might have to pull my own scraps out. I probably didn't measure well or figure well enough when I was figuring on how big we needed to make those, but that's okay. And then this is the other one, the scraps of the scraps. It is all caught up, but not all of my ends are woven into this one. And that is what this one is looking like. So I will get the ends woven in, and when I have the next row complete, I'll do a really good measure job on it and decide if I need to pull some of my own scraps out, which is completely 100% fine. I've got plenty. I've got plenty I can use. So that is my catch up for today. Tomorrow, hopefully, I'll have completed almost blankets, or more completed, because I still have some yarn balls left to go. And then we'll be done with that project. I did work on my daughter's poncho that I'm making her. Sadly, it is not yet done. I'm not happy with it, and I'm going to frog it again. So I'll show you that when it's something decent to show. That's all I have for you today. I hope you guys are enjoying your day. Today was a day off extra for my husband, and so we've just been we hung out with my one son, came over for a little while, and my granddaughter, and she got her baby Yoda that's life-size, and her mother was jealous and wants one as well. Like, how many baby Yodas do you need in one house? Life-size baby Yodas. So I don't know. We'll see about that. And that's all I have for you today, and I will see you